Okay, this is a W-2 form. As you guys know, it looks familiar to you because majority of you guys do have them. So right here on box B would be the employee identification number, and that basically shields the business owner's social with a different number, okay? And that would be on box B. So you're gonna go ahead and fill that in on the software as well, okay? Down below would be the employer's company, address, and all that good stuff, okay? And then move over here on box number 1 would be how much the client made throughout the entire year, okay? Wages, tips, and other compensation. This would be how much they made. And this box number 2, federal income tax withheld, would be how much they paid in throughout the year on this big number right here, okay? On your W-2 form for your client, this will be filled out. You just copy and paste. This will be filled out too. It'll automatically fill itself in once you put in these 2 numbers. Okay, down below on box number 13, majority of the time, one of these 3 boxes will be marked if your client has a retirement plan or if they have some kind of insurance, okay? And then these 3 right here are codes, 12A, B, C, and D. So it'll have like DD, BB, AA. You just click and then put the amount, okay? It's just basically copy and paste. And this right here is if they have a retirement plan or some type of insurance, okay? Down below on box number 15, on this area, you guys, in Texas, we do not pay state taxes. So therefore, this will always be empty. Now, if you have a client that works out of state up north somewhere and they pay state and federal, well, then this will be filled out. All you do is copy and paste. So this is a basic explanation of a W-2 form, okay? Up here will be the client's social, okay? Right below will be the EIN for the company that the client worked for, the address and zip code of the business that the client works for. And then once again, box number 1 will be how much they made throughout the year. And then box number 2 will be how much they paid in, okay, to the federal tax bracket. So this is the explanation of a W-2 form.